This visualization is a stacked and cross-tabbed vertical bar graph. We are going to try to recreate an identical graph here next to it, step by step. First, let's select vertical bar graph. Then I want to involve industry somehow, which I can see here on these labels. So, taking industry and I'm dragging it to breakdown. The height is showing market capitalization value that goes on the y-axis. I want to use metric prefix and I want to see some minor grid lines. I also want to group this by region. So going back to the breakdown area, I want to drag region to columns like that. These labels are not very visible. I need to fix that. Leaf label text angle 60 degrees, and I need more space here, maybe that much. There's also countries involved here. I'll take country and I'll drag it to items. I'll then go to the visualization general settings and say stacked and show borders. That's beginning to look like something. I want to make the bar width ratio 90%. I also want to color on country, so let's drag country to color. And I want to sort this by height and the reverse order. About the tick marks, there's something missing. I want tighter tick marks, maybe 50. Seems pretty close. Okay, let's compare. Seems like we're there.